Postma, and our company is Postma Heating and Cooling. It's a family-owned company, started in '89. We do service, residential install, commercial install, plumbing, geothermal, into a little bit of everything. When I started back in 2009, we were running with one dispatcher and about 4 to 5 technicians. Now, as we've used Jonas and really increased our efficiency with that new dispatch scheduler, we can take on a lot more work as it comes in, a lot more on-demand calls. Right now we have administratively in our service department, we have 3 people. We've got probably throughout the entire company about 40 men out in the field, and then our office staff is about 5 to 6 people. Everything is tied together and you don't have to go into separate things. A lot of times, like when you're looking at a customer, has just really increased everything. Sometimes we have a customer where we may do the service work, we do an install thing, and just being able to have everything housed together. I would say probably the best thing about Jonas is that it's an all-in-one package, but with Jonas, your entire company can be operating with the same data, essentially. You don't have to have sets of customer records that are separate for different divisions. So we can do a plumbing work order for somebody, and then we can turn around and do an install for residential, and then we can turn around and do the service, and all the customer history stays together because we're utilizing the whole package of Jonas. Just the ease of being able to look up documents, whether it's accounts payable or it's work orders or anything like that, has really increased our efficiency. As the paperwork comes in from the technicians, we scan it in and put it right into Digio, and just the ease of people in the office being able to look that information back up when a customer calls, rather than having to go and find the paper and look through a binder. It's a click and you found it. We've also moved to the new dispatch scheduler pretty much right after it had come out. And one of the biggest things, we've got 3 people that do dispatching, and our main dispatcher just absolutely loves it. The ability to color code things with priority statuses, just the ability to see everything and really customize views has increased the efficiency in our office immensely. Having these different statuses, we have the technicians relaying back to the dispatchers throughout the day as to how they're doing at a job, and our dispatchers are updating the board, and it's really enabled us to not miss things anymore. You know at the end of the day if something hasn't been taken care of because the color is right there, if it's an open call that never got dispatched. Also using the roll forward capabilities of that board, if something did get missed, you'll know it by the next day. It's really helped our dispatchers and our technicians just stay on top of things a lot better.